Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a new USB drive I just got for the teslacam, and I think this is a much better solution than what I've been using so far. I know a lot of us have had errors and problems with them, so let's take a look at this. I'm going to take you through it step by step and we'll get it installed. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Just got this today. This is how it came. And let's see what we have. Here's instructions. Okay, so I've been having some problems, and this is supposed to solve all of our USB dash cam problems. Let's take a look. So we have this piece. Kind of stuck on there. Okay, so USB-C. Here we go. iPhone. Here we go, and that's for the dash cam USB port. Oh, and looks like we do. We got the older style USB. Just push this all the way out. So there's 4 different connections. And 128 gigabyte card. Ah, there we go. There we go. Okay. Now, I've had lots of problems. I know other people have too. So I've tried many things with varying degrees of success. This was the second one I tried. Did not work. I bought one. Had to send it back. It just didn't work for me. Got this one. Doesn't work in this application. Works on the computer just fine. Holds micro SD and SD card. I was hoping this would work. It did not work. I tried this. This one did not work for me with the micro SD card. But what does work, this has been working. I put heat sinks on there because it gets really hot, and I think part of the errors are because these are getting too hot when it's writing to them. So I plug it in my phone, and that goes in there. So it works, but it still has errors and some issues with the video, and it skips some segments of the video as well that doesn't get recorded. So I'm thinking there's still an error with the drive. This one works pretty well. Same thing, I put heat sinks on it. Hopefully it would work better. And about the same success rate as the other. They both have errors, but they tend to work okay. So now I'm going to test this one out and see how it works. Should know the other way. Everything is prepared. It's already formatted. So let's see if it's going to work. Moment of truth. Let's see if it comes up. Plug it in. Hey, there we go. All we gotta do is tap it to turn it on. Hey, it's working. Look at that. Now that makes me happy. 128 gigabyte card goes right in there and it works. Okay, now let's do a test with Sentry mode and see how well it records. Okay, Sentry mode is active. Okay, let's see if we got this on video. Okay, seems to be working. I'm going to tap up here, hold it so it shuts it down. Red light goes away. Let me pull this out. Okay, and now let's see if we got something recorded. Okay, that was pretty quick and easy. I like the fact that the card came already formatted and you just stick it right in the USB drive, stick it in the car, and you're ready to go. It's like 30 seconds, quick, easy solution. A lot of memory, 128 gigabytes, and it works great. Fast, easy, and I love it. So anyway, check the description, you'll get a discount. When you look below, use Tesla Social, and you'll get 10% off. All right, thanks for watching, and don't forget, click subscribe up here. All right, see ya.